I'm so excited. I'm going to have to show you something before I'm ready really to do it. But look, I bought this very nice microscope, and I only paid £11 for it. Actually, it's gone up in price. But yeah, it came up on offer as being £11, and I bought it because I thought, wouldn't it be nice if I could get something like that going on my little single board computer? Well, look, I can. This isn't actually my single board computer. This is running on a little Think Center, but it's very, very old and very weedy. So about equivalent. My next job will be the single board computer. But if I run this, and I run this is all down to the efforts of John Medland. So everyone give him kudos. This is his toolkit that he demonstrated at GDevCon. But it's got lots of stuff for me to play with. But if I run that, well, looky, I have. Oh, it's stuck down. Let's go across. It's got tiny little writing. Unfortunately, I haven't got a dead fly that I can show you, which look amazing. Not that I've tried it, of course, because I wouldn't do something like that. But yeah, it's doing thickness of lines, it's do measurements. This is the little calibration piece that comes with it. Yeah, so it's very, very powerful. This is a nice, cheap piece of hardware. I mean, the microscope is £15, but you can get little USB webcams for next to nothing. And this, I think, should be the basis of our next CTI training course. Image capture. I think, from the hobbyist perspective, I think we'll move up to this is LabVIEW, image capture, robotics, movement, and things like that. And then you've got yourself quite a nice course. So me being an industrialist, I like measurements and barcode reading and all that malarkey. So I'm going to be looking to get sort of image recognition done, and I'll get John to get image recognition done, because all the libraries there. This is all OpenCV, so all the libraries are there. John just has to. Well, I say just has to. He has to enumerate our requirements back, because he's been concentrating on his augmented reality, which is a slightly different set, but it doesn't matter. It's just great.